Mother Nature writes her own story, sometimes calm, sometimes fierce. From raging storms to lightning tearing through the skies, today's video brings you shocking and unforgettable moments. Let's get started. Yeah! Whoa! Northwest Texas plunged into darkness as a massive storm cloud rolled in, a terrifying sign of the violent winds about to strike. A tornado tore through Georgetown with winds so strong it seemed ready to uproot every tree in its path, nature's fury on full display. Jaw-dropping destruction. A powerful storm ripped an entire barn apart in Louisiana within seconds. At Australia's Mawson Research Station, a brutal blizzard forced explorers aboard the icebreaker Aurora Australis to abandon ship after it ran aground. A massive chain reaction crash on Interstate 81 in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Dozens of vehicles pile up in a raging snowstorm. Damn! My car is gone! I need to get all my stuff out of my car. Oh, fire! This is... Oh, what's it there? I need to get the... A helicopter malfunctions and crashes during landing near a riverside restaurant in Clay Township, Michigan. A massive tree crashes across the road, but the driver makes a miraculous escape. A semi-truck overturns in the middle of the road in Boise, Idaho. The trailing vehicle narrowly avoids disaster. A truck driver narrowly escapes death as a train smashes into his vehicle. Luckily, he got out in time. Always obey signals and keep a safe distance at railway crossings. Oh my God. Tension builds as a ship loses control among towering waves, while surfers nearby watch in pure suspense. God! Oh! Go! 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 Here, you can't park there. Yep, sure. I know. Dude. A colossal supercell spun over Texas, resembling a roaring dragon twisting across the sky. Hurricane Helene whipped up enormous waves that crashed against a bridge, making driving nearly impossible and extremely dangerous. A towering dust storm swept through Jukwang Gansu, engulfing tourists and the ancient Silk Road city in a suffocating haze. Curious bystanders watched, but when the tide suddenly surged, everyone bolted for safety in seconds. Nature's fury unleashed lightning struck a boat docked in the harbor, leaving witnesses frozen in shock. A fierce lightning strike blasted the ground, exploding in a burst of sparks that left viewers in awe. We're in a tornado! Powerful storm winds toppled trees onto an excavator. Thankfully, no one was injured. Oh my God! It might flip the truck. Oh! Lay down, bruh. Oh my God! A car spun through the air, a chilling reminder of the raw, terrifying power of a tornado. Shock on the tracks, a train crashes into an abandoned car, warning us all to stay vigilant near railways. A runaway train derails a tense site, driving home the need for strict railway safety. Yep, that just happened. A beauty pageant stage turns into chaos as the contestants' bed suddenly collapses, both hilarious and shocking. An unexpected bullseye in Solihull. A bartender tosses his hat, landing straight on a customer's head. A hilarious fashion film, a guy walks by, and the umbrella in his backpack gets caught on a motorbike's throttle, slips right out. A tourist couple posing on a crystal-covered chair in a museum accidentally shatters it, then quickly flees the scene.